Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a review and wear test on the new Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. So if you'd like to see how this foundation applies and how it holds up on my very oily skin for the entire day, please keep on watching. It applied really lovely. I feel like it melted directly into the skin. It blended so easily. It feels really weightless. This almost feels like a serum. And to save time, I'm gonna set my foundation off camera. Everything applied really beautiful with this new Laura Mercier foundation. As you see, it's set really flawless. I feel like I don't even feel this foundation on my skin. The claims to this foundation, let me just go online. Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. I purchased mine in the shade 4C1 Pauline, and this is a medium with cool undertone. I feel like it applied really lovely. I feel like my skin looks flawless. The claims are a weightless foundation that blurs the line between makeup and skin with medium to buildable coverage, waterproof, and up to 12 hours of fade proof wear. I personally am an oily skin girl, so I am going to be putting this to the test for the entire day and just see how it holds up on my oily skin today, or if it falls apart, as I do have a really busy day today. I'll be back later on tonight when I get home just to show you if it held up or if it fell apart, but I'll definitely be back. But for now, I don't feel anything on my skin. Like, my face feels as if I just put on like a serum. This is super lightweight. I really don't feel this at all. After wearing this new Laura Mercier foundation all day, this is the status of my face. And if you hear anybody snoring, it's my puppy is snoring. But this is the status of my face. I feel like this foundation held up really lovely to my oily skin. I did not blot. I am a little bit oily in my T-zone area. I personally really love this foundation because how lightweight it is. It is really easy to blend out. I feel like this is beginner friendly. Like, this is perfect for all skin types. It is buildable. I feel like you can build this one up to a full coverage if you wanted to achieve a full coverage look with this particular foundation. I personally love Laura Mercier products. When I first started using foundations, Laura Mercier was one of the first foundations that I personally gravitated to and loved. And I can't say anything bad about this. It didn't oxidize at all. It stayed true to the color that it was when I first applied it earlier today. And I just wanted to come and show you, ladies, before I get ready for bed. I'm absolutely satisfied with this foundation. I will give this a perfect 10. It is really, really lovely. It's nothing bad I can say about it. And like I said, it's super lightweight. It's very, very easy to blend, and it's definitely long wearing. If there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this beautiful new Laura Mercier foundation, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to respond. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.